Hi, you're most welcome to in this video. In this video, I have created a backend project polling system based on full API. As per the requirement of Coding Ninja, I have created this project. Inside this project, I have created lot of APIs as per the requirement of the test. I have created APIs first. Create a questions. User can create a questions. And second API is user can add options to a particular questions. And the third API, user can add votes a particular options of the questions, and user can delete the questions. But there is some restrictions to delete a questions. If any questions any questions options have some vote, so then user cannot able to delete these questions. And also, user cannot delete the options if the options have some vote to the particular options, then user cannot able to delete this option. So now let's going on postman and looks how my APIs work. Like this, first created a question, like this is a question, which programming language going trending nowadays. When I send request, this is a post request. This question created successfully, and this is my question, and this is my question ID. If user want to show the question, like copy this ID, and if user want to view this question, so here user can pass this ID here as an params, like this. And then user send this request, and this is showing a particular question based on this ID, which programming language is going trending nowadays. User can create options of a particular questions, like this. If user create options of a particular questions, like this, content Java, and pass the ID of a particular question here, like this, and send. Here option created successfully, like this, content Java, here question ID, and here option ID. uh, Now I have added one more options of a particular question, like this, uh, Java, C++. Here we can look here, option created C++. Now I have add one more options, like JavaScript. JavaScript, and send. Here added three options of particular questions. Now if we want to show the options of a particular questions, so we can show here, yes, view questions, and send request. Yeah, in these questions, which programming language going to trending nowadays, is showing uh, three options now: Java, C++, and JavaScript. These three options added successfully here. User can vote a particular options, like this. User create vote here, and send request, vote successfully, and one more request, and showing this option again. And now looks here, here showing two words. I have given two words of a particular a language of particular options. Now let's move on the delete option like this. User cannot delete options if uh, options have any word and questions. Options have any word. User cannot be able to delete these questions. Yeah, there is some restrictions like this. So why it is showing problem? Internal server error. Params delete question delete options. So options ID questions and where I copy options ID like this. See, put it options ID here and send request. Option deleted successfully, but we now seen here option Java options have two words. Now we will try to delete this. First of all, I have copy like this uh, copy options ID here. Okay, Control C, post, delete options. Control V. Now when I send request, user cannot delete this request because it have words same here. If we want to delete a particular question of this ID questions here, I am copy questions ID. Control C, Control V. We cannot delete these questions because of the questions have some words. There is some restrictions. If options this particular questions options have some words, user cannot delete these questions. Now if I have created one more questions like this, uh, which programming sorry, which sorry is best coding coding platform like this. I have created these questions. These questions not have any words, and when I want to delete these questions deleted successfully like this. If I want to delete these questions delete successfully. Question deleted successfully. That's it. That's all the requirement I have fulfilled as per the requirement of skill test. Now let's moving on my coding part. This is my coding part. This is my first of all my main index file, and this is my config database connections, and this is my models, options model and questions model, like this. And this is my question model. That all about my skill tests. Thank you.